So what's in the box? Hey guys, Anthony from Go Industrial here. Today I've got the Mirka M-Class vac and I'm going to be going over classifications for dust. What is M-Class? What makes this an M-Class? And what's included in the box. So let's go. So you get the unit, one dust bag on the inside, you get your manual and your warranty booklet, and you also get a lead attached with a lead rack, just so you can keep that nice and clean and out of the way when you're sanding. Let's start classification. So there's three different classifications, L, M, and H, low, medium, high. Keep in mind that all dust is dangerous to some degree, and you should always exercise caution, have the right level of filtration, and just think about safety when you're sanding anything. The government uses these dust classifications to define what level of filtration is needed on a particular job site. And so if you don't have the right vac for the right job, you can definitely get fined. There can be other penalties that apply. Very nasty situation. Not only that, it's just not safe. So make sure you do your research and have the right equipment for the job. So what are the differences between the L, M, and H class? So it basically boils down to the level of filtration, and also with the M class, the flow sensor meter / alarm. So your L class will capture 99% of dust particles. It's all about the size of the particle. Your M class will capture 99.9% of dust particles, and then your H class will capture 99.995% of all dust particles. So it's quite simple if you just stick to that. So the M class is 99.9% filtration. It also comes with a flow meter sensor. So if you get any blockages in your hose or if your dust bag's full, it's going to alert you of that, just so that way you don't get any leakages, no bad dust in the air, everyone stays safe, happy days. So what are some M-Class dusts? So these include things like hardwoods, board materials, some paints, concrete, even crystalline silica dust, which is in bricks, mortar, sand. If you're not sure what you need as far as classification, refer to the spec sheet or get in contact. We can definitely help you out. Refer to the builder, see what material you're sanding. Just make sure that you have the right level of filtration and the right classification for your job. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe. And if you got any recommendations for specific Mirka content you want to see, leave a comment below. Happy sanding.